Hey everybody, Ryan Eisenbart here with IOB Systems, and today I'm going to show you how you can add, edit, and modify the options in customer type, lead source, industry, and rating inside of your platform. Okay, so to get started, once you're logged into your platform, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to CRM and customers. Once we're in here, we want to click on any customer. It doesn't matter which one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on John Citizen here. Okay, so now that we're in the user profile, what I'm going to do is click on additional info. And on additional info, you're going to be able to see customer type, lead source, industry, and rating. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. Now that I'm in edit mode, let's go ahead and show you how you can add an item to any one of these. Now keep in mind that these all work the same. I'm only going to show you an example in 3 of these, but you can add, edit, and modify in any of these 4 different areas. Okay, so let's click on industry, for example, and you can see we've got a whole bunch of options here, but let's assume that we want to add one. Let's say we want to use construction, for example. We don't have that category in here and we'd like to add it. So what I'm going to do is click on this icon and it's going to bring up the type manager. Okay, so all I have to do is click on add new, type in the category I want to add, or excuse me, the industry I want to add, construction. And if you want to, this default option, if you want this to be selected by default whenever you create a new customer or something like that, then you can select that. I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to leave that blank, but that's what that feature is for. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then it's going to tell me that this item has been saved successfully. And once that's I've been notified of that, I'm going to go ahead and click close. And now if I click on industry, you can see that construction is now an option for me to select. Okay, so let's say that we want to modify the lead source. It says website right now, but let's say I'm not happy with that and I want to just call it web. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon, and I'm going to go down and find website, the one I want to modify, and I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to go ahead and just take it down to web. And I'm going to go ahead and click on save. It's going to notify me again that this was successful. And I'm going to go ahead and click close. And you can see that this is now called web instead of website. Okay, now let's assume, for example, I want to just get rid of a category altogether. So let's take a look at these, and you know what, let's go ahead and say that, you know, there's no way that customer type is going to be pressed, so I'm going to just get rid of it altogether. So once again, I'm going to click on the icon, and I'm going to go down to press, and I'm going to click delete. What it did is you can see that it's no longer in this list, and I'm going to click close. And if I go down to the drop-down list again, you can see that press is no longer available. And so that's how easy it is to add, edit, and modify options in customer type, lead source, industry, and rating. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you've got any special requests or anything in particular that you would like us to show you how to do, please hit us up at info@iobsystems.com.